Welcome. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a worksheet that can be printed out as PDF through the use of Canva, and I'm going to start right now. Welcome back. So let's start the exploration right away. So as we all know, this is Canva. How do you get to Canva? You search canva.com. It is a website, and everything you do there is for you to actually design. You upload your design and you download them out at the end of the day. So I'm going to be creating from scratch. I'll just click on create design, and let me use letterhead. Letterhead will give me A4 paper, and this is the exact size I actually need. So if you have any worksheet over there, maybe you've downloaded a worksheet online, maybe you have those worksheets before, you want to create them from scratch, you can actually bring worksheets over here, and maybe let me just start like this. I can go on google.com and search worksheet search worksheet for primary 2 or grade 2. I think I saw some lovely one, not quite long. Okay, so this worksheet is not bad. Let me copy, paste. I paste this worksheet here right away. Then look for science worksheet. Maybe you are trying to give them assignments in the classroom, and you want to print everything out, and you want to still add your own words to it. So this is a very good and nice way to actually explore worksheets. Imagine having this and you want to change the whole of the let me delete this and use this then. Imagine having this as a preschool teacher, and then you want to change everything on top. So just right click. When you right click, or no need of right clicking, just drop down, crop the whole of this part, and add your title. So I've actually seen what I want to use. I'll just go to my text, click on any text I want to use here, or I use I think this is not bad. You will need to be very careful in dragging. Yes, 6. I had this right away. If you have the logo of your school, you just add the logo of your school right away. This is what I use as the logo of my own school. Make sure you drag it. Don't, if you click on it, okay, if you click on it will work. And so anything you want your children to do, you can actually create this direct from your site. So you can download worksheet from google.com, bring everything here. That is the essence of what I just finished right now. So I want to do one more before I now show you all the designs that they actually have. We are going to see some of them. You can create another page, add page, add the page, and I'm using this worksheet. So add page again. I can come over here, templates, and I will search worksheet. Let's check worksheet. Any worksheet there? If you can't find any worksheet, that means we can't find them here. But let's first save this one and two. How do you save them? We save them as we click on download, we click on PDF prints, and in case you are taking it to CorelDRAW, you need to crop your mark and blend, but we are not taking them to CorelDRAW, so we just download them direct. So this is going to serve as PDF prints, a big file that you can print with the use of your printer or any material. So let's go back to the home page and check the kind of worksheet they have. They have a lot of worksheets. Just go to template, and it's written here worksheet under education. They are for education, marketing, and others. So there are a lot of worksheets over here. Let's explore about okay, I think I've clicked on about 5. So the first one, use this design. I said I want to use it to make it original. I'm going to zoom in and check all the details, name, grade. So I'm going to alter some of these. Don't need teacher. I had the logo of my school. Then I will turn it to color the pattern. Or I can use the word decorate the pattern. Use different material around you, this and this. Then with this now I have actually work on the worksheet. Remember, you can edit them to your taste and you can print it out as PDF. Please make sure you print them out as PDF, not JPEG, except you want to use them in the class on as a picture, but it is not preferable to do that. So majorly they have a lot of worksheets. Just look for those worksheets and you will find a lot of interesting ones. You can create your own from the scratch. You can upload those pictures. Maybe like now I want to create a worksheet of and easily go to my text, write all my details of what I want to do, then from there I magic my worksheet immediately. But I think they have a lot that you can benefit from, and then you can just look at how they created their own to add to yours. This is also a worksheet all about my day, so the children are to feel this. Remember, whenever you click on any of the templates, if you look at these parts, you'll be see the word templates. That will be showing you more templates that you can explore. More templates that you can explore are also here, and this is lovely. This is lovely. Let me just let me create so many pages now. So you look at it, how it is centered to what you do. If it is not centered, don't use it. So remember to alter. You can alter any of them. For now, we are still learning how to use their own templates. We are still going to be learning how to create our own direct. So this is the first section to how to create a worksheet. You download them as PDF. Remember, don't if you want to print them out through a CorelDRAW device, you have to crop, mark and blend. Then I download. The moment I download, everything is going to immediately, and this is awesome. I'd like you to give it a try. It has downloaded already, so I'll just go to my download. So when I get to my download, everything is going to be there immediately. So thank you very much. See you in another class.